Ever spent a whole day cleaning a house top to bottom, only to realize you practically did it for free? Or maybe a client kept adding just one more thing until you were totally exhausted? If you've been there, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Nita, with over 15 years of cleaning experience, and today we're going to avoid the 5 most common cleaning business fails so you can run your cleaning hustle like a pro. Whether you're a busy parent squeezing in clients between school runs, a solo cleaner, a side hustler, or an aspiring business owner, these tips will save you time, money, and lots of headaches. Let's jump right in. Fail number 1. Undercharging your services. The freebie trap. The first big fail is underpricing or undervaluing your work. Imagine quoting a large 4-bedroom home for, say, $50 just to land the job. You spend hours scrubbing every corner. By the end of the day, you do the math and it's like you've been working for pennies. I learned this the hard way myself years ago. I once underpriced an office cleaning gig and ended up barely covering gas money. You realize that your time is valuable. Undercharging not only hurts your wallet, it can also hurt your business because you might start rushing or cutting corners to make up time. Pro tip: do a quick calculation of your expenses and how long a job actually takes. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. In fact, charging a fair price shows confidence and professionalism, and believe it or not, clients will respect you more for it. Price for profit, not just to be the cheapest, and you'll avoid burnout and resentment. Remember, you're running a business, not a charity. It's okay to make money doing this. Fail number 2. Chaotic scheduling and overbooking. Fail number 2 is poor time management, the schedule chaos. Picture this. You've got to clean 2 houses and an office today, pick up the kids by 3 p.m., and you swear each job will only take 2 hours. But one home is way dirtier than expected, and suddenly you're running an hour behind. You're speed cleaning in panic mode or texting apologies to the next client for being late. Not fun, right? Planning and pacing are everything. Give yourself buffer time between appointments. Things often take longer than expected, especially if a client says it's not too dirty. Take that with a grain of salt. Use a calendar or an app to block out travel time and a little breather to reset between jobs. And if you're a busy parent, schedule jobs during a window you know you're free. Work smarter. It's better to do a great job for a few clients on a manageable schedule than to cram in too many and risk doing sloppy work. Trust me, your clients will appreciate your reliability, and you'll keep your sanity. Fail number 3. Skipping the basics. No checklist, no preparation. The third common fail is not being prepared or organized, basically skipping those basic business habits that make a huge difference. I'm talking about forgetting supplies, not using a cleaning checklist, or generally winging it. Here's a scenario. You arrive at a new client's place and realize you forgot your window cleaner or the vacuum's attachment. Now you're scrambling, improvising with dish soap on glass, or worse, you have to tell the client you'll finish later. Another example. Without a checklist, you might accidentally skip cleaning the ceiling fans or behind the toilet, and the client points it out later. Ouch. Always understand that professional prep sets you apart. Before every job, double-check your supplies. Better yet, keep a standard startup checklist of all the basic supplies and must-have tools you need, so nothing gets left behind. For each location, whether it's a cozy home or a big commercial office, have a task checklist so you hit every spot every time. This not only ensures quality and consistency, no more, oops, I missed that, it also saves you time because you'll develop a routine. Being prepared with the right tools and a plan gives you confidence. Your clients will notice the difference when you show up ready for anything, and that means great reviews and repeat business for you. Are these tips clicking for you? If you're finding this helpful, do me a favor. Smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world cleaning business advice. And hey, let me know in the comments. Type, "I'm learning so much," if you've picked up at least one useful tip so far. I love seeing your feedback, and it helps our community grow. All right, feeling motivated? Let's get back to it. Fail number 4. Weak client communication and no boundaries. Fail number 4 is a biggie. Not setting clear expectations with clients, basically saying yes to everything and not drawing boundaries. I know you want to make your clients happy, we all do, but over-promising can backfire. Imagine this real-life scene. You agreed to clean a client's living room and kitchen for a set price. You arrive and they casually ask, "Could you also do the fridge and maybe the garage today? It shouldn't take long." Wanting to be nice, you say yes without adjusting the price or timing. Fast forward 2 exhausting hours later, you're sweaty, underpaid, and late for your next client. Been there, done that. Remember, clear communication equals happy customers plus happy you. At the start of each job, outline what's included. For example, standard cleaning covers these rooms and tasks. Deeper or additional tasks are extra or a separate session. It's completely professional to kindly say, "I'd love to help with that. Let's schedule it for next time." Or, "Sure, I can add that on for an extra X dollar." Most reasonable clients understand you're running a business. Also, don't be afraid to ask questions up front. Does the client have any priority areas? Any delicate surfaces to note? This shows you care and prevents misunderstandings. Setting boundaries actually builds trust. Clients know exactly what to expect, and you know you'll get fairly paid for the work you do. Win-win. And if something does go wrong or there's a complaint, address it promptly and professionally. Good communication can turn a dissatisfied customer into a loyal one. Remember, you're the cleaning expert. Guide your clients. Don't let them derail you. Fail number 5. Doing it all alone. Burnout and no growth. Last but not least, trying to do everything completely alone is a common pitfall that can stall your growth. When you're a solo cleaner or juggling this as a side hustle, you might feel like you have to wear all the hats: cleaner, scheduler, accountant, marketer, you name it. At first, it's fine. You might not have many clients. But as you grow, this one-person show can turn into Burnout City. I remember working 7 days straight at one point, cleaning all day, then doing invoices and booking new clients at night. I was exhausted, and my family barely saw me. Working smarter beats working harder. You don't actually have to do everything alone, and you shouldn't. Consider simple ways to lighten the load. For example, use apps or software for scheduling and invoicing. Let technology handle some paperwork for you. Maybe outsource your logo or website design instead of spending weeks on it yourself. Even asking a friend or family member to help with childcare or admin a few hours a week can free you up to focus on what you do best. Also, don't neglect marketing because you don't have time. Even a little marketing goes a long way. Post some before and after photos on social media, hand out business cards at the local grocery store, or gently ask a satisfied client for a referral or review. You don't have to carry the load alone. Hire help and build a team to share the work. These are small steps that help your business grow while saving your energy. The key message: take care of yourself and plan for growth. A burned out you can't deliver quality service, but a you that has support, tools, and a growth mindset? Unstoppable. You made it through all 5. Great job. Let's quickly recap the 5 common cleaning business fails to avoid. 1. Don't underprice yourself. Know your worth. 2. Manage your time and schedule realistically. 3. Be prepared and organized with checklists and the right tools. 4. Communicate clearly with clients and set boundaries. 5. Don't try to do everything alone. Work smarter and look for help or tools when you need them. Keep these in mind and you'll be miles ahead of the game. Now I've got something special to help you even more. I put together a free cleaning business starter kit for you. Free starter kit. It includes a startup checklist, all the basic supplies, must-have tools, and business essentials you need to get started, right? A pricing cheat sheet to help you set fair, profitable prices. No more guesswork or undercharging. Business name ideas. If you're stuck picking a catchy name for your cleaning business, I've got you covered with creative ideas, bonus tips for both residential and commercial cleaning, so you can confidently tackle any job. You can download this starter kit for free. Check the link in the description below. I really hope it helps you hit the ground running. Before you go, if you want more on getting your pricing right, since that's so important, be sure to watch my previous video. This pricing tip changed everything. In that video, I share a game-changing pricing strategy that you don't want to miss. It'll pair perfectly with the cheat sheet you're about to get. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you're feeling inspired and equipped to grow your cleaning business without the common hiccups. Remember, every great business has its learning moments. Now you know how to avoid a bunch of them. If you found this useful, hit that like button, drop that "I'm learning so much" comment, and subscribe for more tips. Join our community of busy parents and cleaning entrepreneurs sharing their journeys. Together, we'll make your cleaning business shine. This is Nita Shine, wishing you success in your cleaning journey. Keep shining and see you in the next video.